Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uba Sngi Bhalang Dhar, ha ke sining kong ulaong, ba ke Sorkar Jylla kandang Bishar Bniah Shwa, halor ke jing persya ke public hearing jong ke Sri Simen he East Jaintia Hills. Kani kawan hadian ba ke JSU ba ke JNC, kila pinlong ya ke jingïat paidbah bandawa Pynsangeh no ya ke ke hearing, da ke bakino ba ke EIA kalong ke babian, bat pinkhen ya ke Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. Uba Dhar ulaong, ba kinoyalam seng bat kipat ba shnong kila ai dor khas syau, bat ke Sorkar pakan eksemen bnia ya ke kam shobikin shim ya ke nuka karai. Ula pintip ru ba Menteri Rangba ke Jylla, ukonrat sangma, uba pedru ya ke tenat forest, umdon ha Jylla Mynta, kumta an sepelong ya ke jinglang hadian ba ulawan pai. Halor ke jing maham jong kiseng paidbah, ba ke jinglong jingman kala ban sniu lada ang Pynsangeh ya ke hearing, uba Dhar ulaong, ba ke Sorkar kan persyang ban ailat ya ke nuka ke jing kulmar.
So today they have met me, some in Josida and some other two people are from the village itself. So I told them since the petition has been received by me, so I will examine the matter accordingly. I cannot say we'll stop it and continue it, so we have to examine it first.
So will you be uprising this year?
That is the reason. Because I'm on the station, so when he comes, so I'll coordinate with him because mainly they object about the environmental claim something, so it's personal for us. So I have to share with you since he's in charge of us.
The concerns about the party fields and the area is.
That is right. Whether they explain to me the flat of this view. So you see, this everything has you see to set up a cement plant. Always we should. I think maybe the company or from the government itself, the department concerned, they should follow all the process accordingly. So we are yet to find whether the process has been followed accordingly or not. And that is one of the reasons why I request them, okay, let us wait when CM comes, so I'll discuss with this other will choose decide accordingly.
There's fear that if the public hearing is not cancelled, then they are saying that the government must take responsibility for the law and order.
No, that we will see though. It should not be in the line. It should be okay.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.